just told him what it is. I'm gonna have to bleep that. Ah! The real cars are junk.
But he bought the car, had it imported from England.
How are you gonna break this to your wife?
Did they get it out? They got it out. I can see
there
it.
it is.
Oh, I can see it. What's up, people? I am on the ultimate of ultimate adventures with some of my friends here. We are going to buy my childhood dream from a junkyard for $5,000. Yes! So Facebook is a beautiful thing. And by beautiful thing, I mean it is a complete show and it's not worth doing. But it's got these great things called groups and also Facebook Marketplace where lunatics like me can find the weirdest crap that we always wanted. When suddenly you see something in a junkyard under a bunch of junk and snow and parts in a picture and you're like, wait a minute, I know exactly what that is. You there, dude, I need this. So that's what I came to find out. And so this car in a junkyard, which you're gonna see shortly, I look at this guy's profile and I'm just like, I see this thread and I go, will you sell this dead serious? And he comments, and then I message the dude, and now you see somebody on Facebook, and I see the profile picture, and so I look, and I go on his profile, I'm like, all right, so I'm messaging the guy about the car, and he's saying, do I have an offer? And I'm like, well, I'll make an offer, but I'd like to talk to you first, or see it or something. And I see we've got like 7 mutual friends, and I'm like, you're kidding me, one of these is a Genius Garage student. So he lives in Toledo, which is really close to where I live, which is insane, because Toledo is not a vacation destination, but I digress. Long story short, somehow in a junkyard we're going to right now is my childhood dream, and I hope this happens. Anybody else have something I want to say? You guys are being really quiet. You haven't been on video. Aaron.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
Oh,
I have nothing to say.
Aaron, why are you going on this adventure with us?
I don't know. Sounds fun. You called me up this morning and said, hey, we're gonna check out this in a junkyard. I'm like, why not?
You just told him what it is. I'm gonna have to bleep that.
I was gonna say, Casey has not mentioned yet what it is.
I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking of the Jeep plant. Speaking of the devil.
Look at the Jeep plant. Jeeps. I hear that. Oh, I don't want to be here. Hold up. Move out, people. I'm coming through. Allegedly, Jeep stands for just enough essential parts. You're welcome. See, Jeep. The one good thing about Toledo. There's got to be a few more. Doug, why are you here?
I'm here to help pick up a mystery vehicle from a junkyard to help satisfy one of your childhood dreams.
Yes. All right. It's a sunny day. That's good.
Getting our vitamin D.
Yes, and we have a mysterious camera person here that randomly showed up today in a sweet late 80s BMW 635 CSI. Around. What do you have to say for yourself, automatic guy?
I'm getting into that. I'm getting into the manual swap. You know, I have a lot of friends who are pestering me about the, oh, when are you gonna manual swap your car? And, you know, it's just, you know, whenever I feel like it.
Or it would be easier, forget the manual, you could just install like a humidor in your car and just vibe in a different way.
I agree, you know, he might be onto something there. I might have to do that.
Do you have anything else witty to say at all? Nothing. I got nothing. I'm already trying. I'm trying too hard. Casey, shut up. Look at the trains.
We should have had the camera yesterday at lunch when Sean was talking about how you're gonna break this to your wife.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, my wife knows about this already. She was not as enthusiastic as I am initially. She'll come around though. And so this car has been sitting since 1985. That's a clue.
Yeah.
Since 1985. And like, I don't even know how to begin. It's never been, it looks like crap. It's just, no one has touched this thing since the 80s. I'm so excited. All right, so we're getting off. All right, we're almost there. We're going by a truck stop. Yes. The Holiday Inn. Do you think they rent the room by the hour around here?
Asking for a friend?
Yeah, asking for a friend. All right, how am I gonna pull in here? Do they get it out? They got it out. I can see it.
There it is.
Oh, I can see it. Look at that. Yes. Oh God, I'm gonna ruin everything. This trailer's too big. Yes. Yes.
Made it.
That is gonna be all kinds of awesome. Yeah, Hoovie's got nothing on that.
Awesome.
Where's the rest of the Where's the rest of the parts?
It's probably the box.
Yeah, we're gonna need a lot more parts. Okay, let's go check this out. I'll go. Here, you want to see this? Okay. So here's the deal, you guys. A lot of you may know from being fans and watching my channel, I used to have a Countach back in the day before they got psychotically price inflated. And it was everything I owned in the world, and I worked really hard just to be able to do that. And it was a cantankerous piece of crap, even though it was my childhood dream. And I painstakingly did a mechanical restoration, and then I had to sell it before the prices inflated. And I never wanted to sell it, but I just didn't have the right lifestyle and job. And it really hurt because the next better part of a decade of my life after that, I was doing Genius Garage and not making a dime. And then I came to find out that my car sold for like 6 times what I had it. And all the Countachs got worse so much I'd never be able to touch them again. So what we got here that I found in the junkyard has an interesting story, and it's actually rarer than original Countach. In England, I believe, in '85, a company actually molded a real car. Now I know some of you right now when I say that is gonna be like, oh, that's a letdown, it's not a real car. The real cars are junk. They're heavy, they rot to the ground, they fall apart, and they're not that fast. But this is dimensionally identical out of composite to a Countach, which means, since I have an awesome shop and the ability of lots of engines and stuff, I can build a better Countach. I can literally take my childhood dream, that, and make it be in real life what the dream actually was, and we get to do it on YouTube. So let's check it out. Looks good with the rest of the stuff on it.
Flipping amazing.
What it is, it's dimensionally identical. It's really molded off of a legit real car. All the panels are correct. It has a tube frame and a square, but frankly is very similar to the original Countach. The original Countach had a complex round steel tube frame, kind of like you'd see with old Ducatis and old Italian race cars and stuff. It's cantankerous. This is done by Sienna. Obviously, it's got a big interior here. The rest of the parts. Some of them are frozen because it's cold in Ohio, and we'll get the rest of the stuff, but all the bits are there. A lot of stuff is missing, like the lights and well, part of the suspension and everything like that. So I'm really starting with the bare essentials, but I got it for 5,000 bucks. So I'm really excited to build a dream with that regard, and so we got to find the rest of the stuff. You want us to give you a hand finding stuff, or?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Follow you?
Yeah, come on back.
Right on, man. Thanks.
What do you guys think of this so far?
It's amazing.
I like it. I've never seen a Countach piece like that. I got nothing.
I say personally, yeah, it's really interesting because you don't really get to see a Countach at all in any shape. To see one in person at all is just fascinating.
And that complete.
Yeah, exactly. With everything, all the important bits on it still.
You said there's a box truck or something? You look at parts?
Yep. Right in the back. Now it's in the back. The box is pretty back. I put the back on the golf cart.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. That's the last of his,
Well, I brought dead presidents for you. So,
thank you, sir.
yep, and appreciate it. Looking forward
No
to
problem. I took all the body panels off it so that nothing will fall off.
it. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Took all the doors off for you. All
the
the.
door?
Oh, here. The back side of that.
Oh, shoot. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
I took all the doors off, everything for you.
Cool. Do you want to maybe, do you want to go check out that box truck, see if there's any
Yeah,
bits floating around
no
first,
problem.
and then we can load this stuff up and panel. Yeah, there's all the rest of the stuff.
Yeah, some of the back. I don't know what's, there's not much in the box truck, but there's
That's all right.
boxes and stuff.
Should be able to recognize it. If
Yeah,
it's
there's
there.
Cause he, at one point, he had everything for it.
Did he?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Cause he bought the car, had it imported from England,
Yeah.
and he bought everything for the car, but he had a shop.
And you bought
that-
the business from him with all the other
Yes.
stuff here?
So yeah, he was kind of like a hoarder, you say. But that's why the car is in the shape.
That's why it's
He
sat
loves
for 35
buying
years.
stuff, but he never finished anything, unfortunately.
Yeah. That's what my wife's worried about, but I actually finished things, so.
Yeah, that's a good thing though.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was his box truck. He gave me the box truck.
Wow, you got all kinds of stuff here.
Yeah, I got a bunch of bikes over here and stuff. Yeah, we got some WS16, some GTOs.
It is recording, right? That's cool, man. It was just so crazy when I saw that on there. I'm like, wait a minute, that's one like I would do something with.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey, go check it. $15,000 OPO.
I know what I got. I actually have never been in there before. So.
That's true. So. You want to jump up and take a look?
Hey, go ahead.
Look for anything that looks Italian.
You might find things for it and stuff, I'm not sure.
There are a bunch of center punches.
Anything here, do this. Because this was parked next to the Lamborghini. Locked in for about 15 years outside.
I bet.
Yeah,
You know,
tarp on it at one point, but those tarps don't last too long outside.
it's funny how many experimental airplane kits and kit cars just end up never
Yeah.
getting touched.
There was only $25 made.
That's what I heard. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. There's a diff right here.
Okay.
With a big pinion and a ring
Okay.
gear. Cool. I appreciate it.
I left it down there. I took
Okay.
it off. So
Oh yeah, the
yeah,
engine.
I don't know how you're gonna transport off. You brought blankets stuff.
We'll
everything
we got a
with
couple
it.
dollies and stuff sticking in there. I've got some blankets, and the trailer doesn't bounce too much on the inside,
Okay.
so we can pretty much lay stuff on the ground
Cool.
and be all right. And then from
Man,
there, we
in
can
there.
pretty much load stuff up on ourselves, and then we'll square up on money and stuff,
fine.
and do that, bill sale, and go from
problem
there.
at all.
Cool.
Cool.
Thanks.
All right.